Christmas wreaths are a wonderful way to decorate during the holidays. You can purchase a plain wreath from a store and personalize it with decorations like ribbons, pine cones, candy, and twinkle lights. Use green and red ribbon to keep the wreath festive. Add ball-shaped ornaments in various colors and sizes and space them out evenly. String twinkle lights around the wreath for a magical touch. Spray fake snow on the edges and add miniature trees and pine cones. Decorate the wreath with silk flowers and fill in empty spaces with small ornaments or ribbon bows. Incorporate a monogram by selecting a large letter and attaching it with hot glue. Attach pine cones for a traditional look. Use candy-shaped ornaments or real candy for a whimsical option. Choose a theme for the wreath, such as candy, winter sports, or holiday baking. Select a wreath and fluff up the greenery before decorating. Lay out the design before attaching anything to achieve a balanced look. Secure each item to the wreath using hot glue or floral wire.